Good morning, dear viewer. Let's have a short look at the markets. Only BTC, Nasdaq, DXY today. So this is a sideways chop, all it is. Yeah? So let's see how we're following this prediction that I had before, so that we will create this what is called an ending diagonal on the 4-hour chart. At least here it's visible. Yeah? So that was my tweet. Let's get it pulled up. So I said we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wave 5 is often an overthrow, so we could go a little bit higher than the trend line, just to clear out all the shorts that have the stop losses parked on this level, just directly on the trend line. And here's what we have on the chart. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going for the 5. Still waiting. I have small shorts parked in here, but I'd be really looking for a break to the downside, pull up to test this trend line from the bottom, this one here, and then another wave down. So I fully expect that we go down at least to this level here, to 25, 24, maybe even lower, like so, maybe even 22 to get all the bullish people out, because everybody knows this is very important support here. This level here is very important support. So if they see a break, they might panic out and sell out. So there's going to be a ton of stop losses underneath this level. I think they need to be taken out. So the game plan for now is to wait until we go up to the trend line, short it from there. Invalidation to me is if we go above this line and hold. And that would also be what I normally do is I take this pivot low, pivot high, and here. So 29,400 is the beginning of shorts. And invalidation is if we hold above this level here. Sorry, it's not even, yeah, we would probably be somewhere around about here. If this trend, this upwards trend line was to be broken, yeah. So the stop loss is pretty far off, but it could go maybe even to this trend line and then go down here. It's also possible. So the throw over could be pretty big. How does this relate to Nasdaq? Nasdaq showed a doji candle yesterday on the daily, and like you see, we're already descending. Yeah, so let's have a look at the weekly maybe. I mean, first level to stop is here, top of this. So let's mark out those ranges, those levels, sorry. There's one here. Here's a big one. So it's these what's formerly was resistance. And then let's go down to the 4-hour. Sorry about this. So yeah, if this was the top, then I would say it's like target 1 for shorts, target 2, and then here's an order block. That would be target 3 for shorts. So I would see it like 1, 2, and possibly 3, with a break of this trend line, so that people panic out. if this is the top. Yeah, I would rather see, honestly, I would rather see a tap on here. And then 1, 2, 3. But we'll see, you know, since we got this bearish bearish formation here at the right at the resistance, and I think we could go a little bit lower. So we have I think with the exception of this one, you know, when we tapped this high here, we got this drop. So how much was it? 10%? Yeah, around about 10%. So I would fully expect maybe not such a big of a liquidity zone, but since we are approaching this top, then the resistance should get stronger. So this, all of this, or should I say, all of this is heavy resistance for the price. So expecting a retrace, still, you know, it doesn't have to. We don't have to tap this high. We already have 5 ways: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a retrace, then probably chop around here until we break it and go to the upside. At the moment, I cannot think of any really bearish scenarios. For me, a bearish scenario would be the break of this low. Then we don't no longer have a higher low structure. 1, 2, 3, 3 higher lows. If we break through this, then we are back into consolidation, I would say. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish, just back to the neutral territory. And then we have to be watching DXY and SPX. Let's see DXY. DXY is still at support, sorry. So I fully expect that we get some kind of a chop in here, like so. And then possibly another drop to the downside. So still waiting, mostly in the waiting mode, to be honest. Let's have a look at XRP maybe. I'm still watching this area, to be honest. Yeah. For possible short entries. I said I'm going to park my orders, but I canceled the orders. I will look for signs of reversal, unless you know, the danger is we are going to punch right through and then go up to maybe 30,700. Yeah, that would be a possibility, and then we can get one last pump still on XRP. So I'm still watching this. You know, I don't put any blind orders in at the moment. I'm watching all these alts for possible signs of reversal. I see on some of them we should get at least one more wave down. So let's have a quick look. Solana. Do we have Solana in here? There we go. When I go to the daily, or maybe should I go to the daily? Yeah, let's go to the daily. Unless this is some kind of a big triangle building here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. That's a possible scenario. Unless this is and okay. If this is happening, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up. Unless this is happening, then we should get A, B, C to this area of demand. And then if this does not get tapped, highly likely we will come back for this, to be honest, yeah, for this area here. So two possibilities. We either go for another leg down, or maybe we chop around here, create some kind of a triangle formation, and then go up again. If this happens, then I should assume that this is an A, This is B, and this is C. I do not see a 1 here. It's a very unclear chart, but unless we clearly break through this and then consolidate on top and then create another wave, then to me this screams this is an ABC. Only a corrective pattern to this big move down. Yeah, so maybe then maybe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, that's it for the alts. Thank you for listening. Have a very good day. So long and bye bye.